Oh man, this is a dangerous question. Can I give you my honest answer? But I don't want anybody to hurt themselves with my honest answer. Okay? My goal, if you guys remember, one of my goals is to work 25,000 leads at once. I'm not close to that. Me personally, not my people, nobody else. I want to be working 25,000 leads at once. I'm 1/20th of the way, or 20% of the way there. I'm now working 4,461 leads myself. Okay? So I'm at a point where I am not reading into like, do I have kismet with Danielle? How's the relationship? I'm following a damn process. If you're an inbound lead, I'm calling you instantaneously, even if it's a Sunday. As much as I can without getting a divorce or my kid to be like, my dad sucks, I am following up on leads. If I'm grabbing it out of the pipeline, I'm grabbing it. And by the way, my people hate me because some of them don't work as hard as me and I grab all their leads on the weekends. They're like, what happened to all the leads? I'm like, I freaking grabbed them. Well, those were Sunday. Yup. And I called them all. So you guys get to find your own leads now. So I'm calling them instantaneously. I'm leaving them one message. Then I have a series of texts that are going out to them and emails, and I'm calling them back 2 weeks later. Because I can't call them every day for 3 days because I'm working 4,000 leads. Okay. Then if I know Justin's current situation, where he's at, where he wants to be, I'm finding all that out in one call and trying to close him. If he gives me a verbal commit, he's going into the verbal commit column. I'm calling him once 2 days after he was supposed to sign it and he didn't sign it or complete the order. Then I'm calling him every 2 weeks for 120 days. If he didn't verbal commit, he's in a 60-day funnel. I'm calling him every 2 weeks for 60 days. Then he's in a 90-day push where I call him once over 90 days. Then he's going into my spin cycle. My answer is don't follow my process. I have 4,000 leads, but get your own process. What I wouldn't do if I was you is I wouldn't try and figure out, depending on the lead, how much you're going to follow up with them. Because you may be lucky. I'm not. I have the Easton curse, which means I get everything I want in life, but the world tries to frickin' stop me from getting it. So the minute I try and go, that's a good lead, that's what's going to close, ow, that lead smacks me in the face and doesn't close. And I spent too many years trying to emotionally categorize leads. And what I found was I'm just going to trust the process, because the people that are the biggest jerks to us are usually the people that are about to buy. And the people that are nicest to us ain't ever going to buy. Right? Danielle, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Danielle, you're probably the one person on this thing that's called more people than me. Do you agree with this, Danielle? The super nice people sometimes, gosh darn it, they're just lonely. Right? And the people that are
1,000%.
Yeah, and the people that are kind of short with you where you're like, pardon my language, but you probably get off the phone and you're like, I need a coffee. What an asshole. And the next thing you know, you're like, dude, the asshole that deal closed. Thanks, Danielle. And you're like, because they're about to spend their money, right? Like, I'm just done trying to be a mind reader. Like, I just follow the dang process. So my recommendation would be to set a process. Don't be lazy. Don't be like, I'm going to email everybody, call them, but be conscious of your time. And if you don't have 4,000 leads in your pipeline, call them more than I'm calling them. I don't call them enough, but I'm trying, but I have 4,000 leads in my pipeline. Soon to be 25,000 if I play my cards right. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.